my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy Valentine's makeup day look. I love simple makeup for Valentine's Day because my husband kind of doesn't like a lot of makeup, but I do, so he lets me be me. But something about just a wing eyeliner and a nice red or pink lip is just my go-to makeup look for Valentine's Day. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I get a quick and easy Valentine's Day makeup look, then just keep watching. I'm going to start with priming my skin with the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Power Primer. I really like this primer. It's a little more hydrating for my oily skin. But I've kind of been into more hydrating primers and foundations. I look like a hot mess by the end of the day, but I just like that glow it's been giving my skin. Now I'm just going to prime my eyelids with the Urban Decay Stay Naked Correcting Concealer. I love using a blush as an eyeshadow, so I'm taking the Buxom Wonderlust Primer Infused Blush in the shade Havana and sweeping that all over my lid and really blending it out. Now I'm gonna take my favorite palette right now. It's the Anastasia and Amrezy palette and the shade Anastasia on my finger, and I'm really packing that shadow onto the lid. So I'm trying this eyeliner for the very first time on camera with you guys. It is the Kaja Wink Eyeliner Stamp and Pen. So it's pretty cool. I've seen it all over Instagram. It has a right and a left side, and I guess you just stamp on your wing eyeliner, and then the pen helps you just perfect it and do your complete eyeliner all across your eyes. Looks like it gives you just like a good starting base for a wing eyeliner, which is cool if you're not really comfortable doing one. Okay, it actually makes it really easy. At first I was like, oh, this looks kind of weird, because it kind of does, but it's a really good base to really see where your winged eyeliner should be going, and then this pen really helps at correcting it. I want to throw on some lashes. You can totally just use mascara and you don't have to use false eyelashes, but I want to be a little extra because it is Valentine's Day and I want to turn up the sexiness, so I am going to go pop those right on right now. Lashes are on. Now I'm going to start on the face. I'm going to use the Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation. If you've never tried it before, it gives you a natural finish, not a matte finish. But I'm really liking it because I just put a lot of powders on, so I'm not super shiny. Now I'm just going to conceal under my eyes using the Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer that we use to prime our eyelids. And to do a little contouring, I'm using the Huda Beauty Tannitor in Light. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Setting Powder. I freaking love this powder. I use it when I need to blot, when I get shiny. It's just a really good setting powder. To set my contour, I'm just going to use the Dragon Beauty Face Pressed Powdered Palette. And I'm going to use the same blush, the Buxom blush that we used for our eyeshadow. And I went a little bit overboard, so when this happens, I just take a stippling brush and really blend it out. If it's still intense, I take that foundation brush I was using to do my foundation and just lightly go over it, and it'll tone it down. Now I'm just taking that same Buxom blush we used as our eyeshadow, and I am running it across the lower lash line. Gonna add some mascara to complete the eyes. For highlight, this is probably my favorite highlight at the moment. This is Benefit Cosmetics Cookie Highlighter, and it is just so pretty. It's like a golden pearl. It's so blinding, so intense, so I kind of picked a little bit of the excess up on my damp beauty blender, and it just really makes it just sink into the skin and look really pretty. Like, look at that glow. So nice. For lips, I'm going to use a new product that just came out. This is by Kylie Cosmetics, and this is her new lipstick and lip liner lip kit. So it's not a matte lip, it's just a lipstick and a lip liner, which I'm so all about, like, not matte lips these days. I don't know, I just feel like they make your lips look like really dry. I've actually been over matte lips for a while now, so I'm really excited to try this. This is my first time trying this product as well. So let's see how it does. And the color I got was Fall in Love. Okay, so this is the final makeup look. I am obsessed with how this came out. I love this lipstick. It's really comfortable and the color is just so gorgeous. I feel like this makeup look is super sexy. It's glam. It's just everything Valentine's Day makeup look should be, at least in my opinion. And I'm really impressed how the Kaja winged eyeliner just made it super easy for me to do my wing eyeliner. So if you're not that too experienced with doing a winged eyeliner, I would highly suggest checking that out because it really made it super easy to do a wing eyeliner. That's gonna wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you recreate this look, please tag me. I will repost it on my Instagram. If you aren't following me on Instagram, you totally should be. I will leave my handle right here, also in the description bar below. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all your guys' love. This is why I do this, is for you guys. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out, hippies.
That dog. Are you done yet? Guess not. Hey girl, hey. I just can't win around here.